Hello, today we're going to sample the sound using KO2. So first we'll prepare the sound. If you want to sample, we're going to use a line connection. So I'm using a 1/8 inch TS cable to go from the headphone out into the input of KO2. Today we're using Mavis, which is a monophonic analog synthesizer from Moog. We're using that to shape the sound and send that into KO2. KO2, power on. It's currently in group A. We're going to press group D, pad 0. Now if we're pressing the whole sound, type in 801, let go. That bank is ready for sampling onto. So we're going to press sample. LR indicates it's going to be left and right. So we'll press plus once to get it to left input. It makes it listen to the left input and makes it sound like it's on both channels. From there we can start sampling. Press 0 for sampling. Press a note on the Mavis. Main 0 801. If you press keys, if you press and hold it, it will show you C4 indicating the octave that it's in. So press minus while that's held down. We're now in C3. Okay, so that sounds okay. There's a nice vibrato to it. It's just a mellow. Press shift and sound to edit the sound. You navigate with plus minus. So we're already in sound. And it shows you 3 options. There's 1 for one shot, key for polyphonic, and leg for legato. The one we're going to use today is key. Once you're there, from there we'll press plus to get to try, which is trim, and then the orange and black potentiometers control the start and end point. You press shift and erase, and you type in for example 312 to get minor, so that's the minor scale. I'll press main to get back to the main screen. Pressing all keys, down to C2, C4, that's pretty nice, I like that. If you wanted to go back to equal temperament, shift and erase, 310, enter, 12 tone equal temperament, and now you're back in your chromatic scale. Shift and erase, let's go to major. Congratulations, you've done it. If you want to find your sound, it's number 801. If you want to put, say if you go to bank C and you want it in pad 9, nothing there at the moment, so you select 9, and then you type in, you hold on to sound and type in 801, let go on all the pads. There you go.